All right, let's go over that question you had about the dime bag exercise. I think you may have missed something in the text because, yeah, it's just a very basic chromatic kind of thing. And I'll just read what he says. Like my warm up routine is something I've basically been doing since I was real young, and it's where I got a lot of trilling chops from. Like all I do is combine symmetrical trills with chromatics. I start off doing a 1 fret trill between the first and second frets of the low E string with my index and middle fingers. That's important. And then take the trill across each of the strings in turn from low to high. When I get to the high E string, I scoot up a fret and then do the exact same thing back across the strings from high to low. So he does the exact same thing. It's just the first and second finger the whole time. Using your second and third and your third and fourth, that's never part of it. It says, I'll continue to do this way up the neck until I get to about the 15th fret. It says, by this time I'll be feeling a pretty good burn in the back of my left hand. That's very strange to feel it there. So I'll shake it out and get some blood flow happening in my fingers. It might make more sense you'd feel it in the forearm. So yeah, that's all it is. It's just... So they don't even play the whole thing in that video clip for the audio. And that's all it is, and it just goes higher and higher and higher. And then he says the same thing with the first and third. And so on, and he does the first and fourth. So that's all it is. That's all it is. All right, next rhythm here. Got 3 4/time signatures, so we're doing all 3 gallops back to back to back, just non-stop. So here's what we got. 1. Actually, let me count off like this. 1 and a 2 E and 3 E, a 1 and a 2 E and 3 E, a 1 and a 2 E and 3 E, a 1 and a 2 E and 3 E, a 1 and a 2 E and 3 E, a 1 and a 2 E and 3 E. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, 1, 2, 3. One, two, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Yeah, everything sounded fine too. The microphone, guitar, all that. So that worked out really well today. Okay, any other questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again in your new video.